Hello everyone, this is Minyo. Today I'm going to introduce you a software I built named ACAV. This is a very useful software that can help you to explore your C and C++ code base. If we are using the Clang AST, perhaps you should try this software because it's so easy to use and it provides many good features like interactively explore your AST. As ACAV is open source, you can download source code and build by yourself. Also, it provided the container versions. You can run that using Docker or Podman. For here, I will show you how to build it using CMake. So after the build, I can run ACAV and provide a parse to the compile commands file. This is the compilation database for your source code that you do like to explore. And after you launch the ACAV and with the provided compilation database, it will display a window here. In that window, there are different panels. At the top panels from left to right is File Explorer, and which is used to display all the files and the source files as well as the header files included in source file. Also, there is a source code. It's used to display the source code, and AST, which will render the whole translation unit for a given source file. And the rightmost is the declaration context. It will display the semantic and textual context for the decal type node. At the bottom is the logs. It will display some information. It's very helpful for you to know the internal informations. So I will walk you through how to use that ACAV. So as a file explorer, you can double click the source file to generate the translation unit. In the source code panel, I can click at different positions, and the AST node for the source code will display it and highlight it at the right side. So you can use arrows or just click at a different node to see the corresponding source code here. So it supports the bidirectional navigation. It's very helpful for you to explore the AST for different piece of code. And another useful function is that you can search the AST node which you are interested in with the different properties. I can use the kind to search different type of code. I can use the type bar decal. So it will search all the nodes that with the type kind var decal. So you can see that I can search 5 within this translation unit. I can use the button to navigate between different nodes. For each node, you can use the right click at this node to view the details of this node. After you click the details, there is another pop-out dialog here. Within this dialog, you can see that there are so many properties that is associated to the node. So all the properties can be used to search different nodes. It's very helpful. And at the rightmost, there is the declaration context. So it only displays the information for the decal type node. Once I click decal var decal, and I can see that it will display the hierarchy of the context. Also, I can click the different layers of the node to navigate between different nodes, and corresponding node as well as the source code will be highlighted too. It's very helpful for you to navigate between different layers of the declaration context. And also, ACAV also provides some shortcuts that can help you to use this software with ease. You can check the whole keyboard shortcuts under the help menu, and you can use the keyboard shortcuts to switch your focus at different panels. You can also increase or decrease the font size within each panel, and you can use the shortcut to search. So it's very helpful to use with your shortcut if you prefer to use that. Okay, that is ACAV, an interactive way to explore how Clang sees your C and C++ code. Whether you are a student learning about compilers, developer debugging, Clang-based tool, or just curious about what an AST looks like, I hope this tool can help you to explore ACAV is open source. Links to the repo and documentation are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment. Thanks.